Hello and welcome back to my channel. So who is ready and excited to organize, upgrade, and fully dial in your car? Because we actually just got a new hybrid car. We got the solar, so we wanted an energy efficient car, and now I have to get it all set up. These are some of my favorite hacks, ideas, little gadgets for fully organizing your car. Because for me, my car is like my little home on wheels. I want it to be set up. It just gives me peace while I'm on the road. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and links to everything is going to be down in the description box as always. So this first one is probably what I'm most excited about, and it's essential if you are someone who ever does makeup in your car, gets ready, or likes to check yourself before you go anywhere. So instead of your little dinky car mirror, this right here, this is the upgrade that you didn't know you needed. Okay, it is a light up car mirror, and this one is just so amazing. One of my life mottos is it's all about lighting, and this gives you the lighting. There's different temperature options. You can make them more dim, more bright, and really see what's going on. I always just do that last little check before I go anywhere. And this is just miles and miles better than your little tiny car mirror. You just have to charge it once, and the battery lasts for 8 to 10 hours, so it's going to last for a really long time. And when you do need to recharge it, you can just do it right there in the car. So good. My next little car visor essential is this sunglasses clip. It goes right on the car visor, and then it has this magnetic closure to put your sunglasses right there. So your sunglasses now have a home in your car. I used to always lose my sunglasses. I would put them in the console. They would get scratched up. It's like under $10. And I love this magnetic closure. It's so easy. And now you're always gonna know where your sunglasses are. They're not gonna get damaged or smudged, and they're right there within reach. Now, I realized that the number one way my car was getting messy and disorganized was because of trash. And I have tried so many different car garbage cans over the years, and my issue is they're big, they're bulky, they're ugly in my car. So that is when I came across this one, which to me is the best option. You see this right here? Not only is it compact, sleek, it's actually kind of pretty. I love that it has the lid and it goes right there in your car cup holder, or if you don't want to take up valuable cup holder space, I actually put it in the side door. It fits right there. So I have my little trash can when I need it, and anytime I stop to get gas, I just pop open the lid and empty it out in the garbage. My favorite car organizer that I cannot live without, I instantly bought this when we got the new car because I need it in my car, and that is my purse organizer, my purse holder in the car, because nothing drives me more crazy is when I'm driving and my purse goes flying across the seat. I need a place for my purse, for my stuff, and I need it within reach. So enter the purse car organizer. It goes right in between the two front seats, and you have this nice big compartment for any size purse that you have or any other stuff you have that you still want easy access to. It's nice and secure, not gonna go flying around. And you have all these other extra pockets in the front. There's even another pouch in the back. So it gives you so much added storage, so convenient to have it there. Now, if you have kids, you know the struggle, the stuff, the clutter, the mess that accumulates. So if I had to pick one car organizer, one little upgrade, if you have kids, it is this right here. So this is a car seat organizer that goes in between the two back seats, or you can even put it on the floor of the back seats, or even in the passenger seat, wherever you need added storage. And in the middle here is an insulated cooler bag. So you can put snacks, drinks, anything you want to keep cool. It has that waterproof wipeable lining to it, so it's easy to clean. There's the pockets all on the side, so your kids could put their iPad, their games. In the front, you have these two added cup holders, or if you don't want the cup holders, you can flip it back and just use it as added storage. This for us is so helpful because my kids used to always ask for stuff, and I'm driving, like I can't reach back there. That is not safe. So now they have everything they need within reach so they can help themselves. Oh, and the other cool thing is that it has a lid on top that's removable. So if you don't want to see what's in here, you can cover it up. And if your kids need a tray, if they're playing games or they're eating a snack, it can be used as a tray in the back. And if you're going on a road trip or a picnic, you can remove it from the car and it has a strap. So you could even use it as a little cooler, picnic basket on the go as well. So this is my favorite if you have kids. Another great option, or you can do both, we have both, is this car back seat organizer for kids that just hangs on the back of the seat. And this gives so much storage for your kids' essentials. So their iPad can go right here, so it's directly in front of them. But I also like that it's a little kick guard as well, because Carter's always kicking the back seat and it's covered in mud. So it's protecting the seat at the same time it's giving him storage. Both of those together, you're pretty much dialed in. If you have kids, you have a place for all of their stuff. This next one is a safety upgrade that for me is a game changer because I get a lot of driving anxiety, and specifically when I'm changing lanes. So this is a rear view mirror extender that gives you so much more visibility in your car. The way that this is designed, it has a slight curve to it and it's much longer. So you can see in your blind spots as you're driving. And I just feel so much safer when I'm changing lanes, when I'm making turns, having this in my car. And the way that this is designed, it just clips onto your existing rear view mirror. So you don't have to install anything. It's so easy to just clip it on. And now I can see so much more as I'm driving. Another thing I really highly recommend is getting a trunk organizer and keeping extras back there. I cannot tell you how much this has come in handy for us. So we have an extra change of clothes, we have extra jackets, a first aid kit. This trunk organizer is also great if you are going grocery shopping. It gives you a place to put your bags so they don't roll all around the trunk. As for car cup holders, I have a problem, and that problem is my favorite and only water bottle that I will use, the Owala. The one and only issue I have with the Owala is it doesn't fit in my car cup holder. Enter the car cup holder extender with added features, okay? This one, not only is it affordable, it will fit your multiple size water bottles, but this one also has the added little compartment for your phone. So now your phone has a place to live, it has a little home. So I love that. And the key with using these, okay, you have to put it in the car cup holder and then twist it. And then this right here will adjust and tighten up so it securely, snugly fits. This one, as of right now, is on lightning deal for under $10 for keeping your car clean and crumb-free, because there are so many little cracks and crevices in cars. I recommend one of two things or both, a little mini car vacuum or car slime. So this is the more affordable option. It sounds ridiculous, but I've literally had this in my car for like 6 or 7 years. It's slime. You can put in any little crack, crevice in your car, in the vents, and it will pick up crumbs. It's like $5, and I just keep it in the center console. The other option I like, and again, I've been through many car vacuums in my day, and I like this one because it is the most mini and compact, but it still gets the job done. A lot of car vacuums, not only are they expensive, they're quite big. This one is so little. I don't know if you can tell, but here's a little size reference. It's like the size of my phone. And then it has a little expander so you can really get in the cracks. Another thing I will always have in my car, get it if you don't have one. This is a car window breaker and seatbelt cutter, which hopefully none of us will ever need to use, but I just have peace of mind knowing that it's easily within reach. And this has the blade to cut your seatbelt if you're ever in an accident, had to free yourself. And then right here is the glass breaker where you break the glass to, again, free yourself. So if you have a child who is rear facing, you probably understand the struggle of the little kid's rear view mirror. For me, they were always kicking it, moving it, the angle wasn't right, and I could not see. So now they actually make these little car rear view cameras, and you can have your little monitor and see what's going on in the back seat. They're around $30, $35. So if you have a rear facing child, a newborn baby, also solution to a very random but very annoying problem. If you, like me, have a hard time unbuckling your child's car seat, like either if you have long nails or if you have arthritis, they make this little gadget. I saw it on Shark Tank. It's called the car seat key, and it basically acts like a super thumb. You just click it over the car seat and it will unbuckle. And if you do have older children, You can put this and allow them to unbuckle themselves. This one is just purely for look, but it's so cool and I love it. It is this car key case cover, and they make it for all different makes and models of car keys, and it's under $10. I had this and Ryan was like, whoa, what is that? That looks fancy. I'm like, no, it's like $8. So as always, links for everything that I've shared in this video is going to be down in the description box and also in the first pinned comment. I'm telling you, if you have not yet organized your car, upgraded your car, it's like something you do once and then your car is set and you don't have to worry about it and it doesn't always become a hot mess. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. And with all of that said, I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.